Hello once again dudes, this is Emil and welcome to another C programming tutorial. Now in this tutorial we're gonna have about some math operators, right? So the first thing that we're going to do is to add a getch, of course, so it doesn't go ahead and shut it down, basically. So we're going to add a pause function, then we're gonna build some numbers. Int, and I'm gonna be like a equals to, and then 23. Int b, and that equals to something different, and x equals to something, and int y equals to something. Alright, now we have something to go ahead and test with. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and make a printf function, and inside here I'm basically just going to go ahead and say math operation. Alright, sounds simple enough, and I'm gonna call a function, and that function is a function that we all built, so we don't need to add the and sign. And it's gonna be like, alright, so I'm gonna call a. So if I go ahead and compile and run this, you can see we just get this number. Sounds pretty enough. Looks pretty enough. So I'm gonna go ahead and make another one called result. So what we're going to go ahead and do is I'm gonna go ahead and say, like, here we're going to say result. So now we can go ahead and make a result, so we can actually go ahead and play around with it. So I'm gonna just say a plus b and see what that's equals to. So now we'll go ahead and compile and run this. We can see that a plus b is 59. Now we can go ahead and play with these math operations, putting a minus in there instead. Compile and run it. You can see it we get a minus 14. We can also multiply it by adding that star sign and get a very high number. And also we can divide it by adding this sign. See, we get a total different number. And we can also do stuff like, well, that's actually not for this tutorial. I'll be better showing you that in another tutorial, but yeah. So we can go ahead and use every variable or integer that we've made for this. We cannot just use those. If we go ahead and change the result to those numbers, yeah, you can go ahead and use them as well, and all that great stuff. So basically that's it for this tutorial. I know it was a little bit short, but I hope it was useful, because we're gonna use the math functions a lot. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.